It's a lot of fun old stuff. That's
Yeah, a rocker arm alignment for your 55 Chevy.
yeah.
Yeah.
That is pretty crazy. Huh. So what in the world is this all about? What is this for?
It's a jack. That's your car jack.
Really?
From Model T, yeah.
A Model T car jack.
Yeah. You can crank it this way and then not let it down. It rotated on this screw jack here. And you got on it, you put it underneath the Model T. And that, or Model T, and that would jack the car up so you can change the tire.
Yeah, that's not very sketchy.
It needs a little oil.
Yeah, it needs a little oil.
Yeah, it works.
It worked. It does work, huh?
Yeah, it works forever.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this swivels, so you just put it where you need
just
to
on the
have it.
axle.
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Nothing to it.
Now my friend that owns dwarf cars
Oh, yeah?
down in Casa Grande,
Yeah.
he has a whole collection of these.
Does he really?
And I give him probably 4 or 5 of them at least that I had.
Okay.
Years ago I collected and just took them down the last time I was down, I just gave them to him.
Yeah.
Like last time I was down there was probably 10 or 12 years ago.
Yeah.
I ran onto this one again, somebody give it to me.